Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok not opening in iPhone or in Android phone. If you are using any iPhone or any Android phone, then you're facing the issue that whenever you try to open your TikTok app, your TikTok app might crash or it's not opening. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to scroll in your control center and you have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi and cellular data to connect with a different stable or strongest network connection. Then you have to go to your settings app here, go to general, go to VPN and device management, and you just have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to go back from here, go to software update section and just try to update your software. If you find any pending software update here, just try to update your software. After updating software, go back and here go to the language and region, select region and select your own country or region in which you're living. Then you have to go back from here, open your app store and here tap on search, and you just have to simply search for TikTok, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your TikTok app. If you find this, try to update your app. So after updating, if there will be any update issue, it will be fixed in this tab and you'll not get the issue again. Or you can also try to open your settings app, go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. So if there will be any network issue with the iPhone settings, it will be fixed in this step and you will not get the issue again. After resetting your network settings, you just have to try to make a forced restart with your iPhone. Now to do that, just quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you find the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. Your issue must have to be fixed, but if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can go to your settings app, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and here just look for TikTok app, and you can try to offload your app or you can also try to delete the app. So in case of offloading or deleting, if there will be any bug or any malware with your TikTok app, it will be fixed in this tab and you'll not get the issue again. So in this way, you can easily fix your TikTok app is not opening or not working. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.